Hi, this is Eileen Burns here from Stress Coach Training. Now, in today's audio, I'm going to talk about muscle relaxation techniques and why muscle relaxation techniques are highly effective for sleep. Okay, and why um, muscle relaxation techniques tend to work much deeper than a lot of hypnotherapy tracks. So one of the things that happens when we start having sleep problems, often even though it can be maybe a crisis or a worry, something that's actually triggered that sort of initial problem, as in you suddenly can't sleep. One of the biggest problems that most of us have, that even before that incident, we have been suffering from a lot of chronic anxiety and stress. So basically what's happened is before that incident, or even if it's the slow progressive, sleep problems happen for lots of reasons, but sometimes they happen because people have had suddenly a serious worry or something's happened. But we have the situation where people, certain things starts to escalate, and often it can be something that's been going on for a long time and even years. But when you already have a lot of chronic anxiety or stress in your life, and your body has in a way got used to that, what happens is it tends to forget how to relax and how to relax deeply, how to switch off deeply. And if you think about a baby knows how to just be. A baby knows how to relax. It doesn't have to try. But as we grow older, most of us start having issues around the ability to relax. And there is a variety of reasons for that. Often the more that, even in childhood, we start to become conditioned into certain beliefs. And in many ways, priorities are different. If you think about when we go to school and a child and a toddler has time to play, and then priorities start changing. But we also start to get into modern life and we think about technology, a lot of information overload, where a lot of us tend to be very in our mental thoughts, and we give so much importance to that we sort of get kind of lost along the way. And the reasons that relaxation therapy, particularly certain types of muscle relaxation techniques, are very effective to not just on a physiological but on a mental level, how they kind of get the body sort of out of that chronic anxiety and stress state, is basically, first of all, you're releasing tension. And often there can be old trauma trapped in the body, but you're doing it in a very gentle way. What you're basically doing is releasing a lot of tension that's been building up, and often we're holding on to tension if you think about your upper back area, shoulder area, your neck area, we can carry a lot of tension for many years, in different parts of the body. So the muscle relaxations techniques tend to start relaxing the body in a physiological way. And when the body feels that physiological relaxation, it goes, oh, I like that, and it starts to help relax the mind. Also, what you're doing is on each area of the body you're focusing, you're giving that area of your body a focus, so in a way you're not as distracted. Okay, and that helps you start to unwind and relax. And there are certain chemical reactions start to happen as the body gets more relaxed. Now, one of the things that we say when people are using muscle relaxation techniques is that you can, you will experience, I think this is the key I'm trying to say, is that the more that you actually do the muscle relaxation techniques, the more that you will benefit from it. Like everything, we have a lot of clients and students today who think that, you should just try something once and it should work. And they tend to forget how long something has been building up. If you're someone who cannot just relax, and what I mean by relax is relax on your own without the aid of something like a drink, without the aid of television or a distraction. If you're someone that can do, just relax and switch off, you're fine. But most people, you know, cannot honestly say that they can completely relax and completely switch off and have a relaxed and calm mind. Most people find they need to have a distraction. Okay, most people find that they need to be constantly busy or doing something or focused on something, whether that is television, your phone, social media, or even work addiction, or even something else. Some people even have addictions like they have to be out exercising all the time, they have to be active all the time. These are all examples of where someone can actually find it difficult to switch off. So the muscle relaxations techniques basically move you from what we call the stress response, the fight or flight response, or even the anxiety response, into the relaxed response. And one of the recommendations that we tell clients and students is that they do the technique, use the muscle relaxation technique every night for at least 30 days. We recommend actually 60 days or more, and if preferable if you keep using it. If you do this, you will find that you're basically kind of changing a habit. You're changing, your body then knows that this is more normal. If you start breaking the pattern, the body then it's got used to something else. But if you can get used to the body, well, to reteach the mind, the body, and the emotions to switch off again, then it starts to have that sort of normality. And even if you start to, experience really great results in the first week, keep going, because remember, things can easily come back and you may feel a lot better, but we want you to get as relaxed as possible. We want you to sleep like a baby. We want you to become more resilient to anxiety and stress.